Yeah, her friend sent her the tornado. Show them.
No.
Show them the tornado.
It's just a tornado.
Okay, guys, now look at that's what that's her friend. Her friend sent her that. Look at that tornado. Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Outgoing Yazzie. And I'm Rich.
Miranda?
And guys, look at this cool hat. Guys, I really y'all gave it. Look at that. See? Wait. Yeah, look at that. You see that? Look at all that. Hey guys, look. Okay, your turn.
My turn.
Okay, now tell me your name.
Reese.
Guys, look at that right there. You see that? Yeah, yeah, you know. Look at that, guys. ABC right there. Got that Real Y'all Gaming, right? Guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Almost at 10K. Let's go.
Don't forget the bell.
Yeah, don't forget the bell, guys. The post notification bell.
Let's go. A little off. Too off. I'm going to give you a first. Yeah. Oh, it says error.
Let it go.
Oh yeah, I guess you have to let it go. No.
Alright, guys, listen. Me and her racing now. Hey, guys, listen. I gotta put my seatbelt on. If I don't, I'm gonna fly out. Okay, hey.
Buckle up.
Yeah.
Buckle.
Put my cool hat on.
Yeah.
Guys, okay, hey, this thing is powerful. Okay, ready? I wasn't ready. Oh, they took my picture. I wasn't ready. I'm gonna put my hat on.
I don't know what it's doing.
Okay.
Why did it quit break? San Francisco.
Okay, take it off. Hey, come here. I'm going to McLaren.
McLaren?
Yeah.
McLaren versus what did you get? Porsche?
I don't know.
I think she got Porsche.
You ready? You ready?
Whatever that is.
Three.
Got a little video right here.
My way.
Second place. Up to first.
No.
360, 360.
Okay, wait.
There it goes. All right, second place. I guess both of you are in second. Come on, yeah. We're both in first. Your car looks like an alien car. Oh.
Oh my god.
Look at that turbo. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go! Let's go! First place!
I went for 2.
Let's go, Gigi! Hey,
That's
Gigi,
some
now,
pro,
hit
some
that
pro
like
racer
button.
shit.
What did he say? Tell him. What did he say?
He started like, he finished it before me, so he would have beat me.
Yep. I guess so. I guess so.
Winners win, losers lose.
Yeah. I got my cool hat, guys. Okay, now what? Now what? What game should we play next?
Yeah, your phone.
Yeah, my phone.
Look it, guys! She got another free one! You got another free one!
I got the air blowing on me too. Oh, baby. Give me that drift, baby.
Hey, hit that drift.
You're in first place.
Yo,
Oh.
that's out. Another one. Yo, third one.
Hit it again. Hit it again. Hit it again. Circle.
Oh yeah, not yet.
Right there. Wow, wow.
I'm wrecking fool.
You did touch it
I
right.
gotta look it. Let's go.
Oh, your little thing is cute.
Okay, guys, now we are outside. Because, guys, wait, who texted you? That tornado? Hey, come here.
The storm chaser. Or storm
Come
chaser.
here. Come here. Yeah, her friend sent her the tornado. Show them.
No.
Show them the tornado.
It's just a tornado.
Show them. Come on, hurry. Come on, show them.
No.
Come
I don't want
on.
to show my phone.
Show them. Okay, I'll keep it on pause. Okay, guys, now look at that's what that's her friend. Her friend sent her that. Look at that tornado.
It's from Google.
It's from Google?
It looks like it's from Google because tornadoes don't happen here.
Yeah, guy, because tell them what city is this?
Colorado Springs, baby.
Yes, guy, and having a tornado here is very real. But guys, look at the clouds. Yes. But yeah, guys, we just got done playing in the arcade at Real Yard Gaming, guys. See right here? Real Yard Gaming. And guys, they rode a motorcycle here, and I want to see your helmet. Show me your helmet.
Alright, you want to see it?
Yeah, come on.
It's over here.
Guys, look at the bike. So this is your bike. Okay. Oh, look at her helmet, guys. That's cool. It's a panda. Put it on.
Put it on.
Yeah.
It has brown eyes.
But guys, look, this is his bike. It's a Ninja?
Uh-huh.
This is a nice bike. God, look at that.
He's pretty, huh?
Yeah. What is this?
That's a reminder so you don't drive off with that lock on the front.
Oh, that's nice.
How's it going?
Put your helmet on.
No, not mine. It's
Yeah.
brand new. No, 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 no.
I said record this.
You can't mess with the lady's
I
helmet.
said record this. You can't mess with a lady helmet.
No, no, no.
Okay, I'm sorry, ma'am. Won't touch your nice
It's
little
brand
panda
new.
helmet.
Only my head's been in it.
Okay,
Helmets are a personal thing.
right. Okay, ma'am, sorry about that. But yeah, guys, we were just talking about the movie because look, that movie Fast 10, Fast 10. Dang, that's crazy.
That's the 10th one.
It's already the 10th one.
Yeah.
But guess what, though? It's sad because Paul Walker not in it. Rest in peace.
He's not been in it for like the last 2 movies.
Right. Rest in peace, Paul Walker. Yo, what's up, guys? Look at this, guys. This cool kid, he won it at the arcade, guys. Guys, this kid right here, he won it, guys. You want to say something to YouTube?
Hi.
Guys, he's the one that won it. But look, guys, look at this. Look at the side. Let me show you guys the side. See this right here? That's the side. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir, ski. Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna go get everybody reaction on that. Guys, I'm gonna get everybody reaction, okay? Hey, how you like my hat?
It's awesome.
Thank you. Guys, this thing is big. Guys, play a nice raw hoops with him. Guys, I got it in now. Well, look, he finna win.
Uh-oh.
Look at see, I'm yellow and he's red. There we go. Now look at now he
Yes,
can.
sir. Now you can get 4. Oh, he blocked you.